those are the ones, when you say security, you just think about from an antivirus perspective. From a software perspective, think about this. As an application tester, you're supposed to test your application for security threats before it is released into the production server. Okay? So what do you need to do? You need to have a hacker's mind. ठीक है, चोर ही जो है ना ताले की चाबी अच्छी बना सकता है और अच्छे ताले बना सकता है. Okay, because he knows what are the breakthroughs. And test management, life cycle around testing itself. That's also so. Once you start into testing as a tester or a BA, you will realize the way ahead into the market or into your career is through a management concept or a management experience. So all the project managers or the process managers that you see would be mostly around this dotted line area, which is either test management or application lifecycle management tools. Okay. The problem today is, you can see it right on the board, 98%, the conceptually, from the fresher skill base would ideally like to become either developers or just BAs because you've studied requirements management, right? But BAs are much more than requirements managers. They are actually testers. The first set of test cases in any project is supposed to be made by a BA, not by a tester. Okay. So the solution to an ever-growing market is to increase this fresher skill base. From starting, if you want to be developers, start thinking from a testing perspective. Why? We'll discuss this later on. So a bit of technical slide. Let's just quickly on a very, very broad level think about that you're testers right now. And let's see what the testing life cycle looks like. First thing, plan. Planning comes either you're a test manager or you are a senior BA. You plan your test cases, okay? Or a QA head for that matter. Execute using automation tools, okay? Execute using probably even instead of one single automation tester, use 20 manual testers. Your choice. Regress and analyze. So that now one thing is here is that all of these areas, when you start growing, let's say, you have an experience of 3 years or 4 years as a tester, you can actually become expert in one or, 2 of these fields together. In the industry, there are just testers who just do analysis. Nothing else. They just analyze the results. Okay? People are paid only for planning the test processes and test cases, or just to execute them, to create the scripts, to run the tool and to execute their test cases. Okay? So once you have 3 to 4 years of experience, you can plan to have expertise in one of these areas. So coming on from these areas, let's quickly see how functional testing, performance testing, mobility testing works. This is the most upcoming and the happening career choices as of date. Whether you become an Android developer or you become a mobile tester. So what's the need for functional testing? Anybody? Do you know what functional testing is? It's pure English. Just use, whenever you get those confusing words, functional testing, use pure English. What's the functionality? Absolutely, to check expected results. 2 plus 2 has to give 4. It cannot give 5. Okay? The links are working, fine. The links are not working, our tester has an issue. Okay? So this fellow developer thinks himself that whatever thing that he has created, let's say, or the piece of code that he has created is magic. कोई ये सोचता है कि मेरा कोड बुरा है? That is a problem. That is a problem with the developers. They never realize कि उन्होंने जिस चीज पे 5 घंटे लगाए हैं, that's actually useless. Sometimes it happens, unfortunately, but it happens. And this fellow will always think that, you know, the code is working fine, 2 plus 2, 4 to de raha hai. But actually code quality is crap. Trust me, when it actually goes on to the production server, this is what happens. Why? Have you ever thought about this? Perfectly fine. Because the developer, एक कहावत है ना, जब खुद खाना बनाते हैं तो बहुत टेस्टी लगता है, ठीक है, चाहे कितना ही खराब बनाओ. The same thing, it's the same mindset. The developer never really realizes that he has to test for the code quality, that whether the code is actually optimized, okay, and this can only be tested when the two roles are different, as a developer or as a tester, okay. A tester can only check that, dude, developer, you know, you have not done your things correctly, and let's, you know, rework on it. And bugs can come in many disguises, okay. Bugs are defects, something that's not working, okay. Bugs can come from either poor requirements, जरूरी नहीं है डेवलपर की गलती हो. बीए ने हो सकता है पेज कलर को ब्लू लिखा हो, डेवलपर ब्लू ही बनाएगा ना, कस्टमर को एंड ऑफ द डे ग्रीन चाहिए था. Could be poor requirements completely, okay. A badly written code quality, guys, is a big industry today. There are specific tools just for reviewing your code, whether the code has been commented, whether you are not using too many nested loops, okay, whether your exception handling is perfect or not. Why? Because when that code goes on to the production servers, who wants to take the budget hit कि वापस उसको ठीक करो, okay. गाली कौन सुनना चाहेगा ऑफिस में? कोई सुनता है? नहीं ना. And incorrect architecture can also lead to major issues, okay. So the whole point of becoming a tester is that the more you test early into the project, the lesser the project fails. That's from a business angle, okay. And trust me, testers are not taken very nicely in the organization, okay. They are considered sneaky by some people. They are considered egoists. Of course, तुम सामने वाले की गलती बताओगे तो तुम्हें अच्छा थोड़ी बोलेगा, ठीक है. It's not the case. Testers are mostly very, very honest people, something that they would never fudge with the results, okay. And that is why integrity as a tester is very, very important. A developer, for a developer, actually if you see, it is very important कि अगर उसने एक कोड सबमिट किया टेस्टिंग के लिए, उस पर कोई भी डिफेक्ट ना निकले. So they make friends with testers. That's the best way, right? यार कर देना. Don't raise a defect. But raising a defect is a very, very good process. Why? Because today this defect has been raised, tomorrow it remains as an asset to the company कि अगर ऐसा कोई defect raise हुआ, इसका solution ये है, okay? Today, if you remember that unmanaged system slide, yeah, the problem is when you're saying of a tester कितने devices पे test करता है? Can you imagine? You can become a mobility tester, a person who only tests the application onto mobile devices. You can become only a tester who does cross-browser testing, okay? A tester who sees whether Snapdeal.com works in the same way on Chrome as on IE6 or IE8 or IE9 or IE11 or on Safari for that matter. Okay, those are just cross-browser testing, guys. So there are many fields within functional testing also. It's a very, very deep field. Okay. Mobile devices भी कम नहीं है. Okay, you can see the number of platforms that are coming in. So the tester, besides knowing the technology, the application, everything, needs to be very, very agile. So while you can be testing on laptops, you also might need to test on mobile devices for the same matter. Okay. So this is another facet of testing today. This is called cross-platform, cross-browser testing. You can also become only experts in those. All right, and the tool industry, by the way, is catering to this area very much today. If you see, there are tools like Silk Central Connect onto the cloud कि आप एक स्क्रिप्ट रन करो, आपके सारे ब्राउजर्स पे ऑटोमेटिकली टेस्ट होना शुरू हो जाएगा. Okay, there are tools like this. There are cloud hosted tools on which you run just one single time the script and it tests on 20 different environments or platforms on Linux, AIX, Windows, Mac OS. It just starts testing. So you can imagine how convenient testing has become today. और यही आप मैनुअल टेस्टर बनोगे ना, पता चले एक ही टेस्ट को 50 बार 500 बार 4 ब्राउजर्स पे टेस्ट करना है, 5 दिन लग जाएंगे. ठीक है, और होगा कुछ नहीं. एंड ऑफ द डे आफ्टर 2 days यू विल बी फजिंग विद द रिजल्ट्स कि हाँ टेस्ट कर लिया. But that does not happen. Okay, automation is a big industry now. So before you plan on to choose a functional testing tool for your benefit, for your resume, for your career, understand that there are certain types that are important. Okay, certain qualities about a functional testing tool that you should know. Number one, it should provide you a role-based access. Who did what when? Login ID और password होना चाहिए उसमें. ठीक है. Number two, it should cater to advanced testing scenarios. Do you know what advanced testing scenarios are? Simple English है. Complications, right? Simple. It's not that simple. Okay. IRCTC, जो site आप, how many of you have used IRCTC ever in your life or opened it? Great. Do you know this IRCTC application is actually just an interface. इसके पीछे कितनी applications run कर रही हैं पता है किसी को? It just takes feed or data from 20 different applications. Some applications are in COBOL. Okay. Some are running on Java. ट्रैफिक रूटिंग एप्लीकेशन पता है, जहां से वो तुम्हें ट्रेन के शेड्यूल्स लाके देता है. दैट्स एक्चुअली रनिंग ऑन COBOL, while the interface that you are accessing is a PHP. All right. So those are complicated scenarios that you have to test the interaction between 2 different application or 20 different application. So your functional testing ideally should be able to, any tool that you use should be able to cater to this scenario. Web 2.0 support, Silverlight, Ajax, newer technologies, newer by the day. Okay. And cross browser scripting, guys, that's really important. अगर तुम्हें ये नहीं पता तो इंटरव्यू के लिए भी ये वर्ड याद रख लेना, क्रॉस ब्राउजर स्क्रिप्ट्स. One single script that tests in multiple browsers at one single time. Okay. Performance testing. How many of you know what is performance testing? Check the performance of the application. Yes. Checking performance of the code is actually code review. Okay. Performance testing is a different gamut altogether. Flipkart 30 करोड़ का लगाया, ठीक है. They expect at least somewhere around 40 crore people to log on to the system application, right? वो सर्वर्स इतना लोड झेल पाएंगे? इतने सारे लोग एक साथ ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं. Have you ever realized that तत्काल में कभी टिकट ही नहीं बुक होती है? Why? Performance, application performance is a major issue here. Okay. Your phone becomes slow because WhatsApp is running, yeah? What's that? That's also a performance issue. The device may be different, whether it's internet, it's laptop, or your mobile devices. Performance plays a major role today in the world. And by the way, performance testers are the most highly compensated testers around the world, besides security testing. So you might want to consider this as a career, as a very, very serious career option. The question today arises is that performance testing Why is it necessary? Okay. The simple answer to this is because time is absolutely equivalent to money, directly proportional. Or rather say I would inversely proportional. क्यों inversely proportional है? तुम्हें लेसर टाइम में $100 million चाहिए, सबको चाहिए होते हैं, है ना? तो बिजनेसमैन को भी चाहिए होंगे, करेक्ट? सो फ्लिपकार्ट के लिए अगर उसको दिवाली सेल लगानी है, he will not start planning like this fellow will not start planning a year before. You start planning probably just a month before. Okay. And reputation, that's the most important thing, because that the competition is so much that you tend to lose a lot of customers. So a tester has to hold the head high, really high, because these fellows, though they don't have too many friends in the organizations, especially from the development side, are some of the most key people who help running the business. Performance testing. See, customers are very, very impatient. Okay, they will not wait कि एक जो पेज है ना वो 25 मिनट में लोड हो. Do you wait? You don't wait, right? You never would. Similarly, think about this thing for 100 million people around the world. Would they wait? Okay. So similarly, what happens is, because businesses cannot, because they're running onto the internet applications mostly, or mobile app through mobile applications, which anyways are also client server, performance testing, or to test whether my application can sustain a load of 20 lakh people, 30 lakh people, 40 lakh people is important. तत्काल में कोई आजकल कोई सोचता भी है कि बुक करा लो टिकट ऑनलाइन. 2 बार अगर आपने चेक करने की कोशिश की एंड यू फाउंड फेलियर, यू से यार जाके काउंटर में करा ले, टाइम कम लगेगा. सिंपल. यू माइट वांट टू stand in a queue rather than go online and book the ticket. So you can understand, now this is government, they probably don't care. Actually they do care, but unfortunately they are not testing enough. Performance testing is one of the biggest and the most expensive testing areas in the world. Okay, एक single license performance testing का करोड़ से 2 करोड़ के बीच में आता है. And you can imagine for testing Facebook application, do you know how much they spent? You can imagine in multi-million dollars a single test. अब तुम ये सोचो, जो multi-million dollar testing के टूल पे खर्च रहा है, वो ये नहीं चाहेगा कि उसके performance testers highly paid हो. And performance tester also has levels of expertise. Okay, so there are only 2 leaders currently in the world into performance testing. There are no open source tool, unfortunately. It cannot be done manually as well. So Micro Focus and HP, okay, are the 2 world leaders in performance testing, or rather say Borland and HP are the 2 leaders in performance testing today in the world. Okay, there are mid-tier segments, but why do you want to go for testing just 500 virtual users? We'll discuss what is this. You would want to test something for a 40,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs users, जहाँ पे you're better paid as well. So what does this load testing or performance testing means? Performance testing is also known by the words of load testing or stress testing. Okay, though they don't mean the same thing. ठीक है? So ideally what I say is, I have created an application. I want people either to buy or access it, whether it's an SAP system or an internet application, and I want to test, I want to make sure कि वो application जो है ना 2 minutes में page load कर दे या 2 seconds में page load कर दे for, let's say, for the next 2 lakh or 5 lakh users. Okay, so that they don't face page slowness or connection lost issues or server not found issues. Clear? Facebook, we also has anybody seen any issues with Facebook today, or as of date, in the near past? When you try opening Facebook, sometimes it doesn't open. Login failed. Okay, that's a functional issue. But Have you ever felt that you were trying to log in and you're not, and this thing doesn't move forward? Or you get some stupid funny JavaScript on logging in. You know why is that? That is not a functional issue with Facebook. That's actually a performance issue with Facebook. Okay. So you can imagine if Facebook can also face, any application on this planet can face performance issues. Alright. And if you want to run a business, you have to test it performance wise. IRCTC, by the way, caters to millions of Indians across, India, across the complete geography, and they tested their IRCTC application only for 45,000 virtual users. पहले तो उससे भी बदतर था, 5,000 पे फेल हो जाती थी. That is why आप लोग तत्काल में कभी टिकट नहीं बुक कर पाते थे. But they've learned their lessons, and now they're coming up with the new. They've come up actually with the new application itself, which is better coded and better tested. Okay. So performance testing का जो मेन फंडामेंटल होता है कि मेरा डिवाइस, मेरी एप्लीकेशन इस स्टिपुलेटेड लोड को हैंडल कर सके. क्लियर? बट परफॉर्मेंस टेस्टिंग गाइस इज नॉट दैट इजी. इट्स वेरी वेरी डीप. यू नीड टू हैव गुड मैथमेटिकल स्किल्स टू बिकम अ ग्रेट परफॉर्मेंस टेस्टर. ओके. परफॉर्मेंस टेस्टर्स की जो कंपनसेशन है ना, यू कैन इमेजिन इट्स, it can go into crores just for result analysis. Designing of the scenarios, running of the test तो अलग ही चीज है. Result analysis की जो expertise है, that's supposed to be the highest in performance testing. Performance issues can come from any tier. You know why I'm telling that it's very deep? Performance issues can come from any tier. Whether it's your application flaw, whether it is the servers that you're using is the flaw, whether it's the application server that you're using a flaw, your JBoss cannot handle those many threads, or it could be a network issue. The jitters might be coming from your network. Packet drops हो रहे हैं तुम्हारे network में. How do you get to know that? That analysis, इतने सारे correlations निकालना, इतने सारे results को एक साथ calculate करके फिर mathematical formulas, you analyze it using the mathematical formulae. Okay, and then you give the final result that this is the major problem and find out the solution. So those are performance testers. So performance testing tool from Borland, the leading tool in the world is Silk Performer. From HP, it is Load Runner. Okay. Some of the key capabilities for a performance testing tool. The first one being, it should support Web 2.0. Ajax. And by the way, performance testing does not work on your clicks and links and everything like that. It works at a protocol level, something that you will never see. You will see it only in terms of requests and responses. You can understand how difficult it can become. Yeah. So you have to understand what page headers look like if you're testing an internet application. If you're testing a TCP/IP bank application, an application like Finacle, you will need to know how to calculate hexadecimal values. Okay. So you can imagine, till what level and till what expertise it can go. Cloudburst load generation. Because performance testing also involves a lot of hardware. Any tool that you choose should also have a cloud-based offering. Okay. That the test can be run from the cloud. Packaged ERPs. Now this is one of the most difficult areas and the most widely used areas. Organizations using SAP, Siebel, or any CRMs like Maruti, okay, like Hero Motors, like Tata Motors, you name the manufacturing, they have it. Okay. People login, the dealer management systems, which is the most widely used transactional systems across the world from manufacturing units, okay, needs to get tested day in and day out. Because dealers जब दिवाली का टाइम आएगा ना, सब कार बुकिंग के लिए जाते हैं. होता क्या है, आपकी डिटेल्स अपलोड नहीं हो रही, सर कल तक वेट कर लो. The problem is not with the dealers, the problem is with the application performance. Okay, and by and large most of the organizations have started understanding this thing. And the most happening area is mobile applications. अभी तक तो तुमने सिर्फ फंक्शनल टेस्टिंग ऑन मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन सुनी थी. Think about performance testing on mobile applications. I'm not talking about testing whether your battery usage is good or not, or whether your mobile hangs or not. Not that part. That's very, very basic. Think about using Facebook from your mobiles. How many people, so let's say, if I have 200 people right here in this room, how many people use Facebook from their mobiles? Oh, that's a very, very good percentage. And how many use from the laptop? And how many use from both? Perfect. So think about this thing. Facebook now needs to check that whether it's functionally working, whether it's security wise secure, whether it performs when you access it from the laptops, or whether you perform when you access it from the mobile. So you can imagine how huge and wide this industry is. There are testers who are just mobility performance testers. Okay, you can have this as a career as well. And Silk Performer does help you for testing your mobile applications as well. Okay, so you can test even Book My Show, but don't start downloading the tool and testing it all of a sudden, because your IPs will be blocked. Okay, that's for the learning purposes. Talking about mobility testing, let's look deeper into it. Okay, why mobility testing has become one of the major chunks in the industry revenue wise, and why you as a tester can have a career in it. कौन कौन Android developer बनना चाहता है? Or have you thought about it? Or have you started reading about it? Or an iOS developer? Well, that's pretty cool, no? None of you have thought about it? सिर्फ .NET Java में ही hanging हो? There are so many ways that you can